Research is defined as the creation of new knowledge or the use of the existing knowledge in a new and creative way so as to generate new concepts, methodologies, and understandings. This definition of research encompasses pure and strategic basic research, applied research, and experimental development. We came to know the meaning of research. Now let's move to the next part. What are the criteria and characteristics of a good research? One of the important characteristics of a good research is that the purpose of the research is clearly defined. A research study with a clearly defined purpose finds a wider acceptance and acknowledgement within the research community. The purpose of research should be clearly defined and common concepts that are used should be operationally defined. The second important criteria or characteristics of a good research is that the research method should be defined in a clear manner with sufficient detail. This will allow the repetition of the study in future for further advancement while maintaining the continuity of what has been done in the past. The research procedure should be precisely planned, focused, and appropriately described in order to enable other researchers to do research for further advancement. The third thing to remember is that any limitations and assumptions made by the researcher during the course of the study should be clearly highlighted in the research. This will support the findings of the research study in case someone tries to validate the study findings. The fourth thing to remember is that, as far as possible, the research design should be planned in a way that the results generated are as objective as possible. This will provide an easier understanding about the findings of the research. Research design should be carefully planned to generate results to maintain objectivity. Another thing to be considered by the researcher is that there should be sufficient data to investigate the research topic, and the researcher should carefully check the reliability and validity of the data. Validity and reliability of the data should be examined carefully. Further, in order to deliver a good research, a researcher should confine the conclusions to those justified by the data. The data analysis in the research report should be adequate to reveal its significance and the method of analysis employed be appropriate, and validity and reliability of data should be examined carefully. A good research depends a great deal on the integrity and commitment of the researcher. Greater confidence in research is warranted if the researcher is experienced, has a good reputation in research, and is a person of integrity. So, make sure that you adhere to these guidelines when you are carrying out your research.